Hey y'all, Erica Lybrand here, Blair Cato's title attorney with another edition of Title Tips Tuesday, where we discuss issues that commonly come up in real estate closings. So today we're going to talk about mobile homes. I know a lot of you do not do closings, loans on mobile homes, but for those of you who do, there's just a couple of things I want to touch base on. So first and foremost, I think everybody knows that mobile homes themselves are personal property. It's just like a car. They have their own certificates of title. They're taxed separately by the county. In the case of a mobile home that has already had the retirement process, according to the state statute, completed, generally you shouldn't have any issues getting title insurance on those, assuming that that process has been completed. But to the extent that your buyer borrower is purchasing a piece of property with a mobile home on it that has not been legally retired, and you are needing an ALTA 7 endorsement for the title insurance policy, then we have a couple of things that we need to deal with during that closing transaction. So the first thing, that I think everybody should know is that the ALTA 7 endorsement actually provides assurances to the lender, to the investor, or whoever it may be, that the mobile home is part of that real estate. For us to be able to do that, of course, we have to actually make sure that the mobile home is both physically and legally affixed to the property. Physical affixation means permanent foundation, the wheels have been removed, utilities have been run to the property, things of that nature. Legal affixation is a statutory procedure in South Carolina, and although it's a statutory procedure, every county does it a little different. There are forms that have to be completed in terms of the affidavit for retirement that are submitted to the DMV and submitted to the county in which the property lies. And depending on the county, there may be additional requirements, such as like in Richland County, a inspector actually has to visit the property to confirm that the property is on a permanent foundation, that it's been properly affixed to the real property, and that utilities are run to it, things of that nature. This can create some issues for your buyer borrower to the extent that there's additional repairs that need to be completed, things of that nature. The other issue is that a lot of times it is a delay for closing. So if we need an ALTA 7 on a property where the mobile home has not been previously affixed, it can be anywhere from 60 days or more to get the actual retirement process completed, especially where there's that inspector requirement, and in this time of COVID. So you'll need to make sure your buyer borrower is aware that we're not going to be on that typical 30 to 45 day turnaround time for a closing. And there's likely also going to be additional costs, as a mobile home retirement process is very often not part of the standard fees for a real estate closing. So if you have any questions about mobile homes, specifically with the ALTA 7 endorsements, or what is necessary in your particular county associated with what needs to be done to retire a mobile home, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you. My phone number is 803-881-6904, and my email is Erica, ERICA, @blaircato.com. If you have any questions, or if you would like me to address any specific topics, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you like this video, please forward it to your other lender contacts. Thanks, and y'all have a great week.